This is
It means it's the reset account, right?
yes, is to reset SAP password. This is a little trick I always do with the user. You log in as yourself, your PC login. Then they will cannot meh?
You wrong number.
No, use Internet Explorer. Don't use this one.
Really?
I'm not kidding. Hey, wait. My wife's sometimes go drive me crazy. Really, she can drive me crazy.
Yes, your wife is thinking a lot.
Okay, I'm going to try. You log in with your PC username and PC password. Oh, no more already. Yeah, I think cannot already.
Can try
A few months ago I can. Okay. It can. Yeah. After you log in, usually for our company, it's building efficiency, production. You can reset password, unlock user. There's only two systems that we need. One is YRP, okay? And if you one day lose your login to the GRC tool, just down the tool that I show you to create the user, then you select GRC. Okay? If you lose the access to your SAP, like for example, the user really forgot their SAP password, then you select this one, then you do a submit. When you do a submit, they will regenerate a password and then they will email to you. And if that still doesn't work, then open the SAP ticket, tell them I tried to reset the user, it cannot work, and then they will force to reset for you. But this is a self-help. If you ever get into trouble, sometimes I'll use the self-help. They are faster than talking to the SAP help desk. So that is the reason why I give you this link. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the most boring part already, which is... Okay, I'm going to show you. Which is... Okay, where's my SAP system? My CSR form. CSR form are the most boring thing that I have to do.
Really?
Okay. I think they tell me that they give you the access to Jira already. Let me test whether is it true or not. Oh yeah, we did. I did with you. Yes, it's there. I remember. That was the one I did with all the...
Jira same the
I did all the this one. This is the one I did all the filter for you yesterday, you remember?
Yeah.
I told you the most important filter is this filter because this is all JCH Vietnam's list. Okay? So I have only 5. You can change to list view lah. I only have 5 CSR that is open. That is, you can do a sort by to do. One. So you see there is 3 to do. The number is 99, 463 and 1087. So 99, then if you do a search, you will be able to find 99. The information is okay, 11726. I'm going to rename this 11726. I'm going to rename this so we know. This is now GP. I'm going to rename so you know this is the ticket they are referring to. SAP 099.
Yes.
So this is the first request that is still open. The rest actually I closed already. So I'm going to run through with you this program. But this is the old Jira format because this is the old one. In the past it's called Jira 11726. But now the new number is Jira SAP 99. Okay. But what I want you to understand is you always have to give them detail. This is the report I want them to change. This is the company code. Ours is forever VN02. System is forever YRP100. So I actually say when you run a report, you will see this. And then in this example, the payer, the one in yellow, only have a partial name. You see this name here? Công ty Tan Noi Tan Vin. Then the name is not complete. The real name is Công ty Tan Vin, and then still got Trong Mai Tuk Tan. Sorry, I cannot read properly. So I tell them that please add name 2 to complete the name to the report. So this is one request. Okay, another request. This is already the simple one. The other request is 463. Let me show you 463. So now you know what the request is doing. This is the simple one. Let's go 463. There, 463. Okay. Let's see what is it about. This is an example of a change request lah. So this is the change request. The number is 463. Business owner is always Mr. Vu. Next time this will be you already. And then now the new form, they will always want you to write the purpose of change. And then the purpose of change, I say, is regulatory. That means have something to do with law. And then what I want them is that I want them to add these 2 information to this report. Okay, and then the same thing, company code, system code. I say that our invoice system had the data in head 1, head. And I show them an example. This is what I mean by ref 1, ref 2. So I say I want them to put in this report. There, I show them the report and I say put at the last 2 columns, ref 1 and ref 2. You understand what I'm trying to say here, right? And then the reason I say is for tax and compliance, because I say the tax office will visit the office. This is what the finance people tell me. And then they will ask for the report of invoices, and then the company is required to produce the information so that the officer check against their own report. So currently, the government issue tax invoice is not displayed in the report because we have the invoice system only later. So business consequences, I say that is used whenever the tax office visit. So the business need to produce the report and give to the officer. And whenever there's a finance audit, we have to do it. That's why I tell them it's mandatory. And then the score is 20. This is how I decide the score. There, regulatory. You can only say growth, cost or drive saving, regulatory or maintenance. Maintenance is for any other thing actually. Like in this case, because it's e-invoice and tax, that's why I say regulatory. And then how I decide the point 20. If we don't have it, you will have a major problem. And the problem is certain, it will happen. That's why I put 20. You understand what I mean? So you need to, this is the information that I have to fill in this form, and then I have to submit. Okay, this is the second ticket. Let's look for the third ticket now. The third ticket is 1087.
It means sometimes I cannot by myself change the role. Can I add in the request Mr. Asoka will change to me?
No, that one I already requested. They are supposed to finish for me before I go. This is the 1087. There you see. You can search from the list. Anything 01 are my old example lah. You can look at them if you feel like looking at them. But these are the 3 existing tickets I have. So this ticket is for maintenance. I say I need to add address and company name field to SAP BI report. So I give them this one. You remember this SAP BI system? I say that we have this system, and then out of which there are 4 jobs. So these are the 4 jobs. And then